If you're asking what this is, I don't know either. Okay. I needed someone to put in the background while I wait for people to come to the stream, so it, it's just a Doge, okay? I thought with the astronomical price rise in Doge, this was a pretty good meme, you know? I get there's no music as well. Don't question it. It'd be better if my other computer wasn't loading music. That's for sure. Again, don't question what this is. I'm just waiting for people to arrive. I thought this was suitable because, you know, Doge is now like $1 billion and all the shitty news channels are going crazy over it. Right there. Higher. Rider. Ho. Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da. Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da. Da da. Hey June, enjoy the Doge. It's a fucking shit dog. Like this version of it. The Fiji. Da 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 da. I guess while I continue to wait for more people, we'll stream someone else's video and get copyright claims. Is Neo gonna take us to the moon? Is Neo gonna take us to the Chinese moon still, or is it turning to orbit? I don't know. I'll check it out in a minute. I promise. When we hit 10 viewers or somewhat close to that, I'll start doing TA. Okay, I can't be asked for this anymore. It's supposed to be amusing. It's making me cringe. Back to music. Alright, right. What do we want first? Neo. Okay. Right. Let's do it on Binance, because I know that's everyone's favorite exchange in a minute. Noodle. This does not want to load. Jesus. Steam downloading something? No. It what? Okay, I got it to work. That was simple. Okay, actually, Neo was a bad idea because this. I mean, Binance was a bad idea. I don't know what music I want on this. This will do. This was my prediction for Neo the last time I mentioned it. I mean, it's kind of following. I mean, I guess it could just go straight up. This was a measurement of 2 lines that was supposed to. I don't know. I've kind of been working with fractal theory, and this is working better. 2 seconds. It's kind of following it. I guess it's now become a channel. I don't really have much else to say for Neo. It's one of the ones I covered last week. It definitely broke out of that cloud. Very typical pattern here. You know, it broke out and was like, I don't know if I can keep it. And it was like, hell yeah. So if you had have bought in around here, wow, you literally have doubled your money in 4 days. That's impressive. What's its price in US dollar? I don't think I can play this. Or that. No one else likes K-pop. I need more coins. I can't do a live stream with 0 suggestions, okay? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. Da da. Da da da. Yeah, yeah. No, no. Okay. This is what I see. Okay, good. You love K-pop, but we're all fine. All I care about is Jewel in this chat now. Fuck the rest of the stream. Shaker, give me my shaker, shaker. Yeah, this is what I see from Neo, but I don't really know how long this fifth wave will last. This is on dollars, by the way. That's one of the big problems with Bitcoin, you know? What do you compare it to? Do you buy it on um what's it called? Fucking Bitcoin? Or do you compare it to dollars? So if we go back to this and click interactive chart here and put them side by side. See, that's Bitfinex. Who the fuck wants Bitfinex? Honestly. June, I love you more than I've ever loved you with a Discord before. Never leave. See, right, on Bitcoin, we had that, I guess you could say the similar pattern. And then it came down. And that was probably, wait, hang on, where are we looking here? So the biggest dip was from about August 13th till 21st of September. So when was this? Yeah, August 13th. So that follows through. But then here, so this is from the 10th of December to the 17th. Yeah, okay, so from the 10th, no, I don't know what to think now. I usually think differently when it comes to Bitcoin to US dollar. I mean, okay, on US dollar it's way too far from the cloud. Massive crash incoming. Same on Bitcoin actually. That there's no support. Look how thin that cloud is. In fact, my gut is telling me that it might fall through it, but I don't want to pressure anyone into that. If you have made profit out of it, I'd say now is probably a good time to get out of Neo. I mean that is sky high. We know Tika called gas. Not sure again why. I mean surely you would want to call Neo, but I guess not. It's already going down. Yeah, I would take profits. Seriously, look how far away it is from the cloud and look how thin it is. And because history likes to repeat itself, okay? Look at the last time it did this compared to Bitcoin, okay? And the last time it did this compared to US dollars, both fell through it. So I'm telling, okay, that is investment advice. I'm not qualified to give it, but that is advice. But I seriously think you should sell Neo. The whole thing about stock markets is that they follow history, so that's gotta happen. Shaker, shaker. Also, the MACD is just way too fucking high up. What the fuck is this shit, right? On the bit, yeah, it's way too high. Definitely sell Neo now. I'm not letting them try and steal my money. You're not letting anyone steal it. You just dump it, June. Jesus. Okay, EVX, sure, why not? You can also follow my Discord Twitter on there, or you can follow my personal Twitter, which is this. It's covered in K-pop. If you want to follow it, I don't care if you do. I love K-pop. I'm not gonna hide that anymore. Okay, EVX is the next coin. Sell Neo though. That's the summary for that. Oh, Lex, why do you choose such fucking shit coins? I swear to God, what is this? What is this graph? Seriously, Lex. This is just... There's not even a cloud to go on. I mean... What the I can't... There's nothing to predict. It's basically a straight line. I don't know, I don't know what you want me to do with this. Was it on another exchange? Can I find it somewhere else and get more data for it? Deposit and play instant. Sorry, what's this? Alright, not a problem. Not that bothered. What the fuck? Play deposit now with Bitcoin Cash, guys. You gotta fucking play some casino games, you know? Right, let's find this shitting EVX coin. What number is it? That just doesn't tell me. I want to know where it is on the CoinMarketCap thing. Changing song. Classic. There you go. I want to see where it is on the graph, but I guess I'm just not going to get that. This is on a surprisingly... The fuck is this arbitrage? Jesus. Alright, buy on KuCoin for $3.90. Take over to Binance and sell for $4.30. I want you to draw some meme lines. Alright, fine, let's draw some meme lines. Let's grab ourselves a BTC to Choose a really fucking shit graph. Like, oh yeah, South Korean won. Why not? I feel like South Korea's coin or currency is just extreme. Like, sorry, 19 million South Korean won to buy some Bitcoin. Anyway, yeah, let's draw some meme lines on this bitch. This was actually a terrible idea. What's the oldest exchange I can get the most data from? Bitstamp? I feel like it's Bitstamp. I was wrong. No, I was right. Is it following my analysis actually at all? I mean, it kind of is. Let's go back to the daily quickly. Yeah, that's probably gonna follow that. I mean, right. I placed that there when I thought it was gonna happen, and look how fucking accurate that is. This is the description doesn't lie. It's godlike TA. Okay, it's on point. Let's go back to this shitting. Right, just okay. Lex, you asked for this. Just fucking arbitrage it and just make money off of doing that. I mean, look, you can take it over to Mercatox and sell it for $7 and buy it for half the price on KuCoin. What's the problem? Average market cap, volume ain't bad. Circulating supply isn't bad. Where is it on the rank? Ah, 230. Okay, it's not terrible. What do they do though? You know, that's the real question here. Oh, so it's you know, FairX. Cool. Start receiving, sorry, borrowing money. Do I smell a BitConnect clone? Do Is Knowles damned to die forever? Oh yeah, you asked for Knowles like ages ago. Okay, Junior, I'll get onto it. Fuck the meme coin, and I'm sorry, I can't do anything with EVRX. Yeah, it is a fake FairX. I mean, look at his shit. Or it's maybe just a scammy, even worse, BitConnect. Based in Singapore. What are their products? None, none of this is particularly impressive. They don't seem to have a global network of people. Proof of EVX ownership is to access advanced features such as immediate or demand credit. Accumulation of EVX allows low credit rated individuals and small businesses to improve. Don't dial me now, internet, I swear. Cool. No music for now. EVX is a incentive and rewards mechanism. I'm sorry, this just doesn't look anything different. I'm not impressed by this at all. What about? Can I get a eh? Don't see why they need country representatives. They're not even that big of a coin. Banktothefuture.com. Let's check out some of these. I'm intrigued in this coin. Global networks from Bangalore. Investors from all over the world have invested 200 million in the future of finance. Oh, okay. So this is. Ah, okay. Previous investments. So they hosted something. Okay, pretty decent site. I mean, that doesn't make EVX any better though. TRX was a scam. I called TRX was a scam. Okay? I knew that from the fucking beginning. Anyway, let's go look at Knowles. Knowles, there's no cloud, there's It's really a pretty dull graph, but can I change? If I just divide it by 1, 3, 2, 1. I mean, yeah, I mean, it kind of helps. Maybe just a little bit, you know. 2, 6, 4. Yeah, it'll do. It'll do. I like my Ichimoku cloud, so we can work with this. Um, from what I can see, it's very, very far away from the. I can't rely on this. I don't know if it works. Bollinger Bands are super stretched, and it clearly got squeezed too much and just exploded. The MACD is crossing over at this point, though, which means it could turn back around. Same with the CSI, and now the RSI is back. So actually, if you're holding Knowles, Junior, I'd recommend keeping that. That seems pretty damn good. Um, ignore the cloud. That's fucking garbage. So now what? Oh shit. 20, 60, 120, 30. Yeah, and then it disappears. Okay. Yeah, but Knowles doesn't look too bad right now. It's above this. If it bounces off the blue line, which is one of the lines for the cloud, then it should be okay. Okay, next is PIX. Fuck is this shit? What the fuck? This is fucking horrible. Jesus Christ. Are you in PIX? Do you want to get out? Is this how you want to leave? What? It's god damn, what happened? Exit scam? I mean, Jesus Christ. Look, it's like it came through the cloud and people were like, oh yeah, my PIX is fucking gaining momentum here. Let's go, boys. And then it just plummeted and plummeted. Bloody hell. I mean, right, okay. Mac MACD is coming back around. Please note it's available for free only during the trial period. Am I logged in? What? Okay, none of this is useful to me. I got confused. Never mind. Anyway, fug. No, it doesn't look bad. No, it looks good. Okay, just bear with me. I mean, this was just a shitstorm. I mean, Jesus Christ, it's like a fucking womb in here. Baby's about to come out of this end. Um, but you know, you got the CSI is about to turn over. MACD is pointing upwards. And it crossed over here, which was clearly a good sign for it. And I mean, it got close here, but then didn't. So that's good. I'll have a look at it on a 1 hour as well, just if you're interested. See, on the 1 hour, it's broken up above that green cloud and it seems to be acting as support, so that's good. On the 4 hour, it's in the cloud, but on the 1 hour it's out of it, which means it's probably going to keep going up. And then it can use the green cloud as support. On the 6 hour, again getting there. On the 12 hour, no, it is not. There's a what? It's not shit. Hang on, PIX BTC. What? What? I, I didn't. No, it's not. It's Pixium Vision by Euro next. I mean, not gonna lie, looks like a good investment if you want to buy some Pixium. Looks pretty good right now. Um, yeah, my bad. I can't do PIX. I don't think. it Pyrex? Is it Pyrex? I'm sorry about that. I genuinely got confused, and it felt right. It clearly wasn't. Very volatile stock market, though. Would just like to say. Oh, and the music's gone, which means I can't read chat without it being boring. Hang on. I don't think it's on Trading View. Okay, if it's not on Trading View, I can't do it. So I'm afraid I'll just have to skip that. But if anyone's in the stock market wants to buy Pixium, looking pretty fucking good. My bad. I'm sorry about that. Right, TRX next. Why you want me to do this, I don't know. Sorry. Right, hang on. Okay, right. Everyone's been predicting that TRX is gonna skyrocket now, okay? Within a week, right? Please tell me why. Okay, look at that. That is headed to go through that cloud and stay under it for ages. There's no meme lines involved here, okay? Um, I feel like I'm not logged in. My toolbars keep disappearing. Maybe if I try and get it back. I don't know what oh, I'd put it there. My bad. Okay, yeah, this is what people are predicting. And it's gonna like hit this tiny bit of cloud, and apparently we're gonna get this within a week. So 18, 25. Yeah, that's an accurate representation of what I've seen people predicting. I think it's bullshit. I'm sorry, if this happens, it's unbelievable. I don't get why it would. I'm interested to see who in the chat owns TRX. I'm not convinced by it personally. I don't see it skyrocketing massively. Let's do some Tika coins because I feel like they would be, good to look at. So Tika called Ion. That was probably the biggest one for him, right? When did he call? I'm guessing he called Ion about here. Yeah, that makes sense. So I don't know why he called it. This seems like a good channel to put it in. I mean, yeah, to be fair, it does look like a pretty good investment, although if we get a candle that closes beneath here, I mean, I could shift it down a bit, I guess, when you got a lot of candles out of it, so that seems kind of perfect. Um, we'll see what Ion does. I mean, it is a Tika call, so at the end of the day, you're guaranteed profit out of it. Okay, more coins, please. So, I can scroll up in the chat. There's not a lot to look at, actually. I mean, actually, one I probably should look at is Bitcoin. This is still what I see happening, though. I mean, it could bounce off. I don't actually know the probability of coins bouncing off a 0.5. The calculator. Yeah, see, 50 seems to be a resistance, as though 382 and 618 have always been kind of bouncing points. I've kind of always just thought that, but I'm not too sure. I do see Bitcoin coming down to around this level. I do not agree with the people calling, oh, tomorrow it's going to skyrocket and then change their graph the next day. That is my serious opinion, and if you want to sell Bitcoin now and try and ride some of that, go for it. But I'm just saying, if it follows that, I told you so. I mean, in all honesty, the first time it dipped, I did see it coming down to the 236. I wanted it to come down to the 236 really badly, but in fact, if it came down to the 236, it probably would have been healthier. The thing I'm worried about though is right here it had clear support from the cloud. You could see that it got a decent, close to it as it has in the past, and then it went upwards. Okay, but here we're getting close to the cloud, and well, we're looking like we could enter it. I mean, let's look at some other graphs. Ooh, these are not nice to look at. Haven't seen a. So it got out of it, but again, it's very thin. So we're gonna get a green cloud after that. I don't know. Let's look at 4 hour. Green cloud there was clearly acting as resistance. It's a very similar wave pattern happening, which is kind of strange. 6 hour. And 6 hours fucking dead. That's gone. Shit. Yeah, so you can see it almost got in the cloud. It was almost there, but it just couldn't quite get out. It used a thin cloud here and it bounced off it as support. So here it acted as resistance, here it was support. Then you've got support again here, and then so that seems to be a very common. This seems to be the absolute line. And if we keep going too far under it, we are probably gonna go down to this point. Right, for the record, I don't want it to follow that, but that's just what I think is gonna happen. Calculator. Okay, other coins. How about we look at a McCuckle coin? Sorry, McAfee. We'll look at fucking lemons. Yeah, that did not work out. Let's get rid of all these drawing tools. Okay, now what I expected to happen was something kind of like this. That's what I was expecting to happen. That clearly didn't happen. I didn't think the cloud would give it so much support. I mean, you can see you've got this stupid ass spike from McAfee. I mean, it's fucking pointless. It was 20%. It wasn't even that good. So then, I don't really know where to say where we go from here. You've almost got a very similar looking graph to what we had on other coins. I think it was actually just Bitcoin we were looking at earlier. So if we go 1, 2. I don't like that. I really don't like that. No, no, I can't. I can't put that down and believe it. I don't think it does follow Elliott waves actually. Or if it does, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes down a bit past 1. And then it will come up to then A, B, C. I'd like to say, but again, that cloud's pointing up and it seems to be acting as a pretty clear support for it right now. Daddy McAfee doesn't pump my shit. No, he doesn't. He pumps decent coins, which I don't understand. The whole point of McAfee's Twitter was to shill crappy coins and crappy ICOs and mess about with crypto market. Instead, he makes a 20% crappy pump on fucking XLM. It's like calling for day, Bitcoin. Well, it's just, it's just Bitcoin. Did you do XVG yet? McAfee's old side bitch. Let's check it. I'm gonna change the music slightly, give me a sec. Still one can't remember which album it's on, that's just bad of me. It's not true Twice supporter. This is where I did a graph on Verge. Part of me hates myself over it, not gonna lie. I mean, it skyrocketed. Look, past the 4th fib. He always presented they were decent, pretended XVG was decent. Can't mock him for that now because it's a large holding of mine. Yeah, I know. I still don't trust it. It is just... Let's look at the website actually. Coin review. No, not The Verge. I like The Verge. No. Why did I do that? I acted like a normie over here putting Bitcoin after stuff. Huh? No, stop. I don't care. Sorry, The Express, okay? Right, popular British newspaper. Also, don't try and spam your little shitty Telegram link in my fucking Discord, in my fucking stream. You do that in my Discord, I'll send for you, alright? Right. However, following the recent... Why is the Verge here? Created in 2014. Oh. Verge was Dogecoin Dark. I didn't know that. So that's why it's been about for so fucking long. Shit. That's been about forever. What the hell? So it used to be worth like... Hang on, so you could have got from 11 sats up to, it seems, 50. That's not bad. Jaffi al-Hadifi here to steal all your gold. Right. This is why I get banned from YouTube for dark humor. Right, where was I? Forget Bitcoin and Ripple. This just seems like shilling. He, don't know who he is or why he has an opinion on Bitcoin. He's probably just another fucking normie. Anyone on the news is a fucking normie. XVG is literally a Doge fork. Why are people buying it? What is this crap? Why? And why did it skyrocket? What, it rebranded as Verge and people were like, hey, it's not Bitcoin Dark, it's Dogecoin Dark. Do they have a website? I don't want to download your shitty wallet, Verge. I mean, okay, this is a good point, okay? This is a valid point. I can agree with that. Yeah, okay, I get it. Asking why in crypto is like asking what's the meaning of life. You'll never get an answer, and there is no reason to anything. Ultra fast transactions. Well, yeah, it's Doge fork. Active development team, ready for mass adoption, decentralized and open source. I still don't know how much I like it. I mean, why? Buy it anywhere, basically. They might as well just put that. Real world vendors. Oh, sorry. That accept Verge currency. I've never heard of it. Sorry, have a heart animal rescue. Okay, well that doesn't exist anymore. Fuck it media company. Nah, that's not real. I refuse. Fuck it media company. So, what do we do? What is the point of this? The buy now link takes you nowhere. Yeah, it is. It's fuck it. It's basically fuck it. They pay GoDaddy and XVG. What is it? Some of the XVG devs are still anonymous. Oh, great. Well, surely, okay, going on the basis of, you're asking why in crypto, if Bitcoin can skyrocket from an unknown man in Japan, then Verge can skyrocket from an unknown doggo in Doggo Land. Not convinced by Verge. What is their plan? New website. I feel like they've done everything then. Verge branded apparel. Wait, hang on. How do I? I wanna buy some Verge apparel. Shit. In Japan. Oh, get out of here, fuck's sake. Satoshi is not some unknown. Anyway, I'll make a TL net, and I'm probably gonna log off because I haven't got a lot of people watching. I'm very tired. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, what I honestly see here is this, and as much as I hate to admit it, that's usually a pretty bullish sign. I think, although that cloud is surprisingly thin, if it keeps going, okay, I won't be that stupid. I won't be that guy that makes the triangles. Like, that is definitely going to happen. I think this is possible. Maybe it's a wedge. Maybe it's another triangle. Let's not finish the triangle. New XVG bail song for doing bath salts off. You see, why? If I wanted to do any of that, I'd do it with any other coin apart. Okay, not Ripple, and but not Verge either. I mean, the XVG logo would make for a good, phone, because you kind of got that, right, you got the blue in the front and then the grey in the back, and you could just make some straps out of, like, some blockchain. Was it the 15th? I don't remember what meme lines that was. Maybe I did it on Binance? Gonna change music again. DD. You're right. And I was... Well, actually, it's a symmetrical triangle, so it could have gone either way. And it broke downwards, so personally, I'd suggest that's it. Something got triangles and breakouts. Well, that is what meme lines are, you know. Right, I think I'm done for now because I can't be asked anymore. Um, so in summary, sell Neo, buy Bitcoin. Verge is still shit, and TRX is just dumb. Basically, everyone's saying XVG is gonna pump, but that kind of scares me because it's like a meaningless pump. Which again, it is crypto, but I mean, everyone, yeah, that's what I think. It's like everyone's saying that XVG is gonna pump, so you're just gonna get a really stale market that does nothing. It'll just go sideways through the Ichimoku cloud, and then, oh, what? Oh, you're holding a bag? Oh, surprise! DG, just like DG. Anyway, that's me done. Hope you all enjoyed this stream. I'm going to bed because I'm fucking tired.